The sun is winking at the sky so high. The breeze is whispering a sweet goodbye to every sorrow that you held so tight. Let them go and step into the light. Just breathe and smile, it's worth a while. Stack your dreams up in a pile. Life's a dance with a quirky style. Breathe and smile, yeah, breathe and smile. The clouds are painting stories in the blue. The world's a canvas waiting just for you. Don't need a compass to find your mark. Find your rhythm and ignite the spark. Just breathe and smile, it's worth a while. Stack your dreams up in a pile. Life's a dance with a quirky style. Breathe and smile, yeah, breathe and smile. When the days get heavy, feel the rain. It's just the rhythm washing the pain. Chase the thunder, make it your beat. Own your story, get back on your feet. Just breathe and smile, it's worth a while. Stack your dreams up in a pile. Life's a dance with a quirky style. Breathe and smile, yeah, breathe and smile. When the days get heavy, feel the rain. It's just the rhythm washing the pain. Chase the thunder, make it your beat. Own your story, get back on your feet. Just breathe and smile, it's worth a while. Stack your dreams up in a pile. Life's a dance with a quirky style. Breathe and smile, yeah, breathe and smile. The sun takes a bow as the sky burns red. Your heart beats loud, but it's filled with dread. The night feels heavy, like a hollow shrine. But I'm here to say that it'll be fine. The storms roll in and the winds collide. You're stuck in the chaos with no place to hide. The whispers of doubt are a mountain to climb, but just take my hand, it'll be fine. It'll be fine, just wait and see. The world will bloom like a cherry tree. In the darkest hours, your stars align. Hold on tight, because it'll be fine. Your tears fall fast like a crashing wave. You build a fortress, but it's fear you pave. The cracks in the wall let the sunlight shine. And I swear again that it'll be fine. The shadows wait.